How to transfer photos, videos from iPhone to any Mac. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the photos or videos you want to transfer to the Mac on your iPhone. Then tap on the share icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap on the airdrop option available there. Once you tap on the airdrop, also make sure that you have toggled on the airdrop option on your Mac as well and set it to everyone. Now there you can see the name of your MacBook. All you have to do is tap on the name, and once you tap on the name you can see at the top right hand side in the MacBook that the video is being shared, and it will be saved to the download or photos according to your preferences. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.